Hello everybody, today we're doing our gluten-free muffins. We have two new people, Mina, which you saw her, and Everly, her friend. And this is Jazmin's friend, and her name is Elena. So we're going to start with our ingredients, starting with Everly. Well, we have eggs, and make sure it's from happy chickens. And look, there's also blue egg. These are raisins, and we're gonna use it for our muffins, and they're yummy for me. We also have ghee, and let's see. And we also have nuts. The nuts, it's very healthy and yummy because I like to eat them. And I like to eat raisins. And the vanilla extra. It's so fluffy. It's this. And look, there's this powder. We're gonna crack up egg, each one of us. Make sure you put the shell on your plants because that makes them healthy. So, remember, it's a natural and it has different sizes. So you know that the egg is natural and it's not from a savage chicken. You don't want to eat a savage chicken. Okay, now we're going to put the almond flour with the eggs. And Everly and me are going to put these on top of here before they put this inside. The difference of a cupcake and a muffin is that a cupcake has cream and a muffin doesn't. We're gonna add the water and then put in the Nutri-Bullet. Okay, let's mix it up. Here, one drop. Not too much. Oh, sorry. It's okay. That's enough. Because it's a lot of, but it's fine. And it smells really good. It's not bad. It is super good. I'll put the rest of the flour in the mix. I like to cook because you get to taste your own food that you make. And it's very tasty, and also you get to experiment more things that you never experienced. I like to cook because it's fun to just cook with all the things with getting messy and being fun. And it's so delicious. I want to. Okay, that's it. That's it. Now let's open it and see how it looks. No, muffins. We were cooking muffins. Now I'm gonna decorate it. Yesterday I took Jazmin's cookies. How about this? It's enough for that one. Okay, Nina, you're next. You have to decorate it now. Nope. You don't want to. Oh yeah, you want it plain. You want it plain? So two plain. Wait, but there's another one still. Oh, right there. Wait, when you taste it, you're actually gonna taste it inside and outside. Or my loves. And now, when it's done, we're gonna put it in the oven to chop. Are you ready? Nina decorated hers, but I put it somewhere because and we're gonna leave it for 30 minutes. I know. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Try this at your home. I love it.